Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to hide caller ID on your iPhone. So let's get started. So what you need to do is, if you wanted to hide it, just follow these instructions. That is all about. Go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll down. Over here at the bottom you can see there is an icon for search. You have to tap on this one. Now from here search for phone. So tap on the phone app. Now from here you have to scroll down. And if you go over here, you can see there is an option called show my caller ID. Tap on this one. Now there is an option to toggle it off. You can toggle it off. If it is actually grayed out, for some users it might be grayed out. So if the reason why it is grayed out is because your cellular operator is not allowing you to do it. So what you need to do, you have to talk to them. In the sense, you have to contact them, and they will help you to solve the issue. But most probably for many other users it will be available here, so you can toggle it from here. Once afterwards, you will not be having these kind of, your caller ID will not be shown whenever you are trying to make any calls to anyone. And this is what you have to do. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.